Can I reset my ADT doorbell camera remotely, or do I need access to the physical device?
Hello, folks. Today, we're going to tackle a very important question. Can you reset your ADT doorbell camera remotely, or do you need access to the physical device? This is a common concern for many ADT doorbell camera users, and we'll break it down for you.
Understanding ADT doorbell camera.
ADT doorbell cameras are a wonderful piece of technology, allowing you to see who's at your door at any time, from anywhere. However, like all tech, sometimes they need a reset to function correctly. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, resetting ADT doorbell cameras required access to the physical device. This is a security feature to ensure that the device can't be tampered with remotely.
How to physically reset your ADT doorbell camera.
Here's a simple guide on how you can reset your ADT doorbell camera. 1. Locate the reset button on the doorbell camera. It's usually a small, recessed button on the bottom of the device. 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. The light on the device will typically flash or change colors to indicate it's resetting. 3. Wait for the device to reboot. Once it's done, it's reset and ready to be set up again.
Can I reset it remotely?
As previously mentioned, due to security considerations, you typically can't reset your ADT doorbell camera remotely. However, there's always the possibility of updates and changes in later models or software. It's best to consult the most recent user manual or contact ADT's customer service for the most accurate, up-to-date information. In conclusion, while ADT doorbell cameras provide fantastic functionality and security, resetting them typically requires physical access to the device. However, always refer to the latest information from ADT to ensure you're following the best and most secure practices. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to manage and reset your ADT doorbell camera. Until next time, stay safe and secure.